All right, today, guys, I wanted to talk about electricity. Just kind of just some of the basic fundamental parts. The understanding of the basics of electricity requires the understanding of three fundamental concepts. Those concepts are voltage, current, and resistance. There's a direct mathematical relationship that exists between these three things in every electronic circuit. Current is the flow of electrical charge through an electronic circuit. The direction of a current is opposite to the direction of the electron flow. Current is measured in amperes, or amps as we call them. Voltage is the electrical force that causes current to flow in a circuit, and voltage is measured in volts. Resistance is a measure of the opposition to the current flow, and resistance is measured in ohms. Okay, but you're saying, what does all that mean? So to explain that a little bit better, I want to talk about the anatomy of a flashlight, right? So I've got a flashlight here, just your standard typical flashlight. It's got a body, it's got a switch, turns it on and off. It's got obviously the light bulb that turns on, and then there's a battery on the inside of this flashlight. So those are kind of the main things that make that up: is the switch, the battery, and the light. And then obviously a housing. But the three main things are the switch, the battery, and the light. So if I were to take a flashlight and draw it as a schematic, it would look something like that. So you've got your switch here, you've got your battery here, and you've got your light bulb here. So in this first one, the switch is closed, which makes this a closed circuit, which means current can flow around the circle, which means that the lamp is on because current is flowing. The lamp in this case is your resistance, and it uses the energy to produce light and heat. I don't know if you guys have ever held a flashlight for a long time, but some of them get pretty hot. This one, in the other case, is the switch is open. So there's no current flow, which means the lamp is off. The lamp is still your resistance, but it's not using any energy because the energy can't get through an open switch. So that is just kind of a quick overview of some of the fundamentals of electricity.